Balancing multitasking kitchen duties, like crisping up guilt-free wings, baking evenly browned cookies, or slow roasting a weekend dinner without heating up the entire house, often means dealing with underpowered countertop appliances that produce inconsistent results. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer, BOV860BSS, streamlines countertop cooking by packing precision thermal engineering and a vast array of cooking modes into a sleek brushed stainless steel chassis. The primary technological breakthrough centers on the Element IQ system. Powered by 5 independent quartz heating elements and smart digital PID temperature control algorithms, the oven actively steers power to where and when it is needed most, completely eliminating cold spots. This is paired with super convection technology, which features a dual-speed fan maximizing airflow to slash cooking times by up to 30% while delivering an intensely crispy finish on air-fried favorites. Versatility defines the user experience through 11 preset cooking functions, including toast, bagel, broil, bake, roast, warm, pizza, air fry, reheat, cookies, and a dedicated slow cook mode for long, low-temperature braises. The spacious interior accommodates a 13-inch pizza, a 9x13-inch casserole dish, or a 9-cup muffin tray. Managing your cooking is effortless via a clear LCD display panel, auto-eject rack, and an integrated interior oven light that lets you track progress without letting heat escape. Things to consider before you buy. Because it packs an 1800-watt heating array and a large capacity into a relatively compact countertop footprint, the exterior housing does get quite hot during extended high-temperature sessions like roasting or air frying, meaning you'll want to leave adequate clearance around the unit. Additionally, while the included mesh air fry basket and non-stick pans make cleanup straightforward, regular maintenance of the crumb tray and interior walls is required to prevent baked-on grease buildup. So, who is this really for? This appliance is an absolute home run for home cooks, bakers, and families who want to completely replace their standalone toaster oven, separate air fryer, and secondary convection unit with a single, high-performance machine. If you only need a basic appliance to occasionally toast 2 slices of bread, its professional feature set and premium price point will be more than you require. Is it worth the money? If you value countertop space, restaurant-quality crisping, precise digital temperature management, and a robust build that handles everything from morning bagels to evening roasts, it is a premier investment for a modern kitchen. The Amazon link sits right in the description for easy access. Hitting the like button, sharing this breakdown with a fellow home chef, and subscribing helps support the channel for more honest, no-fluff appliance reviews.